Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do something slightly different. We've just bought a VAX and I thought I'd show you guys how we're using it and just some really satisfying before and after shots, hopefully. So we've just filled it up and we're going to give it a go on the sofa. Okay, you can probably hear the machine going on behind me, but I thought I'd just do like a mid update. So we've done 2 pieces so far. This one I think is really old and worn anyway, so it's not looking great. Like you can see it was in bad condition before. But we were thinking we might just reupholster this anyway. But we wanted to try and clean it to see if we could salvage it. But I just don't think that's possible, just because obviously we use this all the time with our feet and it gets the most wear. But all of the seats, Dad's just doing the second one, they're looking really nice. Obviously it's just still a bit wet, so you can see it's a little bit darker. But all in all, they're coming up really nice and like almost look brand new. So I'll let them dry and everything, and then I'll update you guys on the end result. But so far so good. The machine's also really easy to work with, which I was quite surprised. I thought it was going to be really complicated, but yeah, so far so good. And then I'll show you guys when we got the whole thing in, it's all dried off, and hopefully I can show you a few before and afters as well. I've got a few on my phone already that I've been doing as we go, and they do look so good. Obviously because it's brown, like in all of the videos where people review this, it's something like they've really dirtied a white carpet just to show you how you can take up all the dirt. But obviously this is a brown sofa, so really it's going to stay brown because it's brown, but it will look fresher, which is awesome. But downstairs we've also got a white rug, so I'm going to try that as well in a little bit, and hopefully we get more of like a contrast. Okay, I will update you guys when everything's dried, and maybe we'll move downstairs and do the carpets. guys, so it is a few days later because they did take a while to dry, but they're all feeling good. They look brand new, and yeah, I'm quite happy with them, to be honest. Here you can see, oh sorry by the way if there's background noise, my dad's building downstairs. The stains did not come out though. I don't think that's a stain, I think that's just where it's worn down. Oh, and there's another one here. But a lot of the ink did come out. Obviously these stains are probably like 10 years old, so I wasn't expecting any of it to shift at all. But as you can see in the previous footage, I might insert a clip now, you can see that a lot of the ink was coming out. So I think maybe if you gave that a few more goes, I think gradually it would come out, because it was definitely lifting something somehow, because this stuff, I thought it was a lost cause because obviously I've been there for so long. But no, it's looking good. As you can see, it looks so nice and new. Right, the footstool, I sort of updated you mid. As you can see, obviously the darker patches are where there's like none of the like brown stuff left. So all of this is gone and worn down. And I think like it looks a lot cleaner and nicer now, but you can see how worn it is. I think we're just gonna have to recover it either way. And we did think that was gonna be the case, but we wanted to clean it anyway. So there you go, that is the sofa, and we were really happy with that. And we just need to wash the cushions, and then that's a go-go. Look at it, it looks nice with the new carpet. Yeah, very happy with that, and I can see myself laying there.